This video shows how DynaRent and DealerSoft support the business requirements for a gas distribution company. Both DynaRent and DealerSoft are powered by the new Acumatica business platform, which gives you 100% web-based screens and reports and access to an on-site support and training organization of local partners. DynaRent handles all requirements for cylinder rental, filling, handling, and distribution. And DealerSoft handles all requirements for equipment sales, service, and repair. Common requirements for gas distribution include cylinder rental, serialization, constant returns and changes, consignment sales, and complicated billing requirements. So let's take a look at how DynaRent accomplishes these things. Over here I've got a rental order already in progress for a particular customer. And you'll notice there's two line items on the order. One is for 300 cubic feet of argon, selling for $20. And the other is for the cylinder rental, which is an ongoing rental on a daily rate of 14 cents a day. So let's add another line to this order. And this time what we're going to do is add a carbon dioxide cylinder. And I want you to see how both the gas and the cylinder come in together. Notice that only one line item comes in. And what I want to do is take the explode kit option. And then the system will bring in the split of the cylinder and the gas. So these items are serialized when it's the cylinder itself. So you can see I have a collection of serial numbers here I can choose from. So I'm going to send this over to the warehouse, and they're going to load it onto a truck, and you'll actually have the truck driver use a mobile solution to add the serial numbers when he delivers the particular cylinders. But first I want to send an invoice out for the gases. So the easy way to do that is simply go Actions and Create Invoice. And these two lines are for the gas itself, because the cylinders are rented, and you remember the gases are billed immediately as soon as they leave the warehouse. Now the monthly billing for gas takes place under a billing process screen. I'll take a look at my two gas cylinders from my order and select all for billing. And over here I've got an invoice number and a link to it, so I can actually look at the invoice before I send it out or before it's emailed. And again, this is the cylinders being rented. The gases were sold earlier. The system handles consignment inventory with a customer consigned part number here, and it handles it in the same way you just saw. And there's no charge to the customer for his own cylinder. Now let's get back to the trucks that we loaded up earlier. Here's the 3 cylinders we loaded onto truck 03 earlier. So here's the mobile app that comes with DynaRent. And notice there's a driver's app. And what I'll do here is use that app to take the cylinders off of the truck and send them up against the order at the customer site. There's my first cylinder. Everything defaults. I have to pick the order. And here's the second cylinder. Now since all that was done by the driver at the delivery location, if I go back to the order, I want to see that customer service got alerted to this. And you can see the mobile app put the serial numbers right back on the order in real time. Well, that's it for part 1. Don't forget to check out part 2, also on YouTube.